Automotive forging, casting, and machining are the foundation of high-quality vehicle manufacturing. Producing critical components such as engine parts, transmission housings, steering components, suspension parts, and structural assemblies requires precision, consistency, and complete process control. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline and optimize every stage of forging, casting, and machining operations, helping manufacturers improve productivity, quality, and profitability. With PMTechERP, every manufacturing process is connected through a single integrated platform. From raw material procurement and production planning to forging, casting, machining, heat treatment, quality inspection, inventory management, and dispatch, every department works together seamlessly. This eliminates manual processes, improves coordination, and provides complete visibility across the production floor. Manage complex production schedules with intelligent planning tools that optimize machine utilization, workforce allocation, and material availability. Monitor every work order in real time, track production progress, reduce bottlenecks, and ensure